So welcome along to a video tutorial of one of our demo courses on the Learntask system. I'm going to bring you through the procedure to log into the demo course so you can see the type of content that is available within the system. So at the moment, because I haven't logged in, I can't access any of the parts of the course, so I'm going to click here to log in, and I'm going to log in as the demo user. And now, as you can see, there's a link there that will give me access to the course, and we also have these indicator lights on the right hand side that will go from grey to green as I progress through the course. So at the moment I begin the course by clicking on the first unit. So the screen splits into two parts. On the left side there is the actual course content. So this would be the description of the job or the task or the piece of information that you want to make up the first unit of the course. On the right hand side is a progress indicator, so it shows the course participant that they're at the very start, and this area will change color as they move through the course. One benefit of the system is that the course participant can stop and start the course anytime they like. They can log on to a different computer, they can even move to a tablet and finish the course on a smartphone if they wanted. So I'm going to mark this unit as complete, and I'm going to move to the next unit. So this particular unit is an example of text content, and as you can see, we just have some dummy text in here. This could be bold, left justified, right justified. We can insert a table. We can basically do anything that you would ordinarily do with a word processor. You don't need any specialist software or any coding skills. You can do all this through the content management system on the back end of the system. So as you can see, the status of this unit has changed to green because we've completed it and we're moving to the next unit. So let's mark that as complete, and let's move on to the next unit, which has a different content type, which is images. This is exactly the same image inserted 3 times, and I just wanted to illustrate that you can resize the image without the need for any specialist photo editing software. It takes about 5 seconds to upload each image, and you can place it wherever you want. So once we've finished reviewing that content, we can mark it as complete, and we can move on to the next unit. This is an example of some more complex content. So the system has the capability to allow you to upload audio content. So this might be a tip regarding part of the job. It could also be a voice overview, a 2-minute description of how to actually do the job. So you might have some pictures, you might have some text, and you might have some audio which would add value to this unit. So I'm just going to play you a sample now. So as you can see, you can insert the audio, the little player gets inserted, and you can add that to your course. So I'm going to mark that as complete, and I'm going to move to the next unit. So this is an example of some more complex content that you can include, and in this case it's video. So you might want to video somebody actually doing the job correctly, or you might want to screen grab somebody accessing an internal in-house system and the right way to use it, the right way to access menus, the right way to run queries. You might want to capture that screen grab and insert it into your course. In this example, I have a screen grab of a Facebook tutorial, and I'm just going to play a short clip of that for you now. So as you can see, that's an example of me navigating around a Facebook page, and you could hear my voice and see the mouse moving around. So I'm going to mark that as complete, and then I'm going to move to the next unit. So finally, because I've finished all of the course content, it brings me to the quiz units. The quiz units are configurable so that you can have the quizzes to act as barriers to progress from unit to unit, or you can have the quiz at the very end to assess how well the participant is taken in the course. So in this case, I have a multiple choice single response question, and I also have a true-false question. So you can set these questions yourself, and I'm going to mark one of the answers as correct, and I'm going to deliberately answer another question incorrectly, and I'm going to submit the answers. So the configuration on this quiz is to allow me to pass because I got a 50% rate. You can set this percentage to anything you want, and it tells me I got the first answer right and the explanation for it, and I got the second answer wrong and the explanation for that. But because I have achieved a pass rate, the system then delivers a certificate to me so that I can download the certificate as a PDF, and I can actually print off the certificate and either bring it to a manager or keep it as for my own records. So that completes the tour of our demo course in Learntask. Just imagine what this system could do for your staff training. So please take the course for yourself by clicking on demo on learntask.com. Thanks for watching.